Nah, loading. Nah, dan.
Okay, damn. Hey. Ulang lagi nih. Ulang lagi. Ya Allah. Okay, guys. So you have to use with my characteristic. Okay, so kamu harus terbiasa dengan karakter saya yang agak-agak plenger segini. Okay, kalian get out. Tolong, gue mau fokus. Okay, so assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yeah.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
Okay,
warahmatullahi
good evening
wabarakatuh.
everyone.
Evening to
Everything,
Mr.
Aisyah.
Mister.
So good morning. Good evening for Sela, Kadek, Rawi, Desi
Desi.
Rahmawati. Yeah. So there are how many? Four people here, right? Okay. So actually, I'm here for covering Miss Amma for teaching. Okay, kita live. Sorry guys. You know lah, di sini banyak banget setannya, tolong ya. Jadi begitulah. So yeah, my name is Hair, guys. You can call me Ear. In American, you can say Ear. In British, you can say Ear. Okay, so we never say R sound in British accent. Actually, yep. So who's here like British accent? Siapa di sini yang suka British accent? Nobody. Okay, nobody ternyata ya guys ya. Nah, nobody nggak ada udah yang jalan terus. Okay, so my name is Hair. You can call me Ear or Ear. Ya, sama kalian kalau bilang apa namanya telinga in English. How to say telinga in English? Ear, right? Nah, itu so sama dengan hal tersebut. Actually, can you guess where I'm from? Dari mana saya? Ada yang bisa nebak? Yang nebak dapat voucher. Yang benar dapat voucher dah. Ayo.
Dari Jogja. Jogja, Mister.
Dari Jogja. Yes, actually I stay here in Jogja by the way. So, but I'm from originally I'm from Kalimantan. Yeah, Kalimantan. Central Kalimantan, especially have you ever heard about Palangkaraya, the capital city of Central Kalimantan? Hey, yo. Nah, so if you don't know about Kalimantan, have you ever heard about Kuyang? Nah, Kuyang ya. Kuyang or the dinosaur? Not sayang, Kuyang or dinosaur? Yes. Many people said that, oh, in Kalimantan there's no electricity there. Damn it. Jadi apa namanya, banyak yang bilang bahwasanya nggak ada electricity, nggak ada apa segala macam. Yes, we have guys. Kita punya. Oke, begitu. So yes, as I said before, I try to cover Miss Ama for tonight because Miss Ama is getting to take. Dia lagi sakit gigi. Nah, jadi dia nggak bisa ngomong. Begitu. Nah, begitu ya. So, what material did you learn yesterday in previous meeting, guys? Ada wait. Ini udah belajar apa aja nih kemarin? Alfabet. Have you ever
Cardinal, ordinal.
Oh, ordinal, cardinal.
Sama pengucapan jam dalam American dan British.
Okay, that's good. And then
Fraction numbers. Sama
what? Fraction numbers.
Daily activity.
And, your daily activity have done? Udah selesai apa namanya daily activity-nya?
Ya, yang
Belum,
unit.
Mister. Sekarang kita presentasi daily activity masing-masing.
Oh, begitu. Okay. So you can present your daily activity actually for tonight. But how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, and apa namanya? Kita punya waktu 90 menit ya. 90 menit kali bagi 4 orang berapa ya? Okay, so you have 20 minutes for presentation. Oh no, I'm just I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, bro. Nah, actually, I wanna try to make give the example first, okay? How to present our daily activity, yo. Bentar, ada orang lagi nih. Bentar, Muhammad Miftah. I'm sorry, Muhammad Miftah. Udah ada nggak Muhammad Miftah? Okay, so actually you can mix between time material and daily activity material. Okay, so you can say, for example, I wake up at 7 a.m. Oh, ingat ya guys ya, you have to remember that thing. One thing, for expressing about your daily activity, you have to use simple apa? Simple
Present tense.
simple present. Pakai simple present. Simple present itu menggunakan verb satu atau verb SI. SI? SI? Oh, you don't know. Okay, verb satu atau verb SIS. But in my class, please guys, forget about grammar and say together verb grammar. Okay, so you don't need to use grammar and think hard about grammar when you speak. Okay, so lost doll. Kalau kalian mau ngomong lancar bahasa Inggris segala macamnya, lost doll aja, ngomong aja, tabrak aja, nggak usah mikirin grammar, nggak usah mikirin wah ini grammar error apa wrong vocabularies, pokoknya ngomong aja. Okay, jangan pikirin apa-apa begitu. Okay, so Muhammad Miftah Rizky.
Yes, Mister.
Damn. So, yeah, where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Riau, Mister.
Oh, Riau. How about you, Rawita Raka?
I'm from Yogyakarta.
Oh, Jogja. Oh, Kamsi. Damn. Di mananya? Yogyakarta nih.
ASEAN.
Oh, deket ah.
Iya, dekat.
Iya, dekat. Oke. Lu kesini aja dah gimana? I'm just kidding. Kadek dari Bali? From Bali?
I'm from Luwuk City, Mister.
Sorry?
Sulawesi Tengah. Luwuk
Oh,
City,
Sulawesi
Sulawesi
Tengah.
Tengah.
Oh, gue kira Bali. Oke. And Sela?
Mister,
Kenapa?
I'm from Lampung, but
Oh.
me tinggal di Jogja. Gimana sih, Mister?
Oh, I live in
Jogja.
Okay, and then Desi, and then last one Desi. Assalamualaikum, Desi.
Yeah.
Where are you from, by the way?
I'm from Sleman.
Hey, Sleman. It's near. Okay. Alright, guys. Once again, I'm from Kalimantan, and I'm here for covering Miss Ama untuk menggantikan Miss Rama begitu. Okay, so let's start our activity. We are going to learn about our daily activity. Presentation about our daily activity. Nah, untuk mempresentasikan daily activity itu biasanya we have to use simple present. Nah, the pattern of simple present is using verb 1 or verb SES. Okay, for example, I wake up at 4 a.m. Okay, gua bangun pakai di jam 4 pagi. Seperti itu. Apakah bisa kita mengatakan I woke up, you know woke up itu verb kedua daripada verb satu? No, nggak bisa. Kita harus menggunakan simple present, pakai wake up. Okay, so for example, I wake up at 4 a.m. and after that I go to my bathroom for taking a bath, and after that pray together with my friends, with my members here, and after that get ready for going to the school, going to my first class in Kampung Inggris Jogja, and after that my first class will be held at 7 until 8:30, and after that, okay? Nah, jadi kalian bisa menggunakan after that, setelah itu, atau then, lalu, okay? Dan apa namanya kombinasikan juga. Kalian udah belajar ini kan masalah the American ways or the British ways. Udah kan? Nah, begitu. Jadi kalian bisa menggunakan mengkombinasikan menceritakan kebiasaan kalian dengan cara apa tadi? Ya, kebiasaan kalian disertai dengan jam-jamnya. Sekian, sekian. Oke? Do you understand, guys? Okay, I hope you. I think you can understand by the way. So, yep. So, who will be the first? Siapa yang mau pertama nih? Nah, biasanya, siapa yang mau pertama? Sela. Nice. Go, Sela. Okay, give a big hand for Sela, guys. Give a big hand. You know, give a big hand means give applause. Okay, nice. Okay, Sela. Wis, ting 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 ting. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, Sela Widianti, the time is yours.
Morning, I'm wake up and take a bath, perform wudu, and prayer fajr, get ready and go to school. Terus school, Arif. Aku susah bacanya, Mister.
Duh. Apa nih? Susah baca apa nih? Saya nggak baca nih. Apa yang dibaca, tolong?
Kan tadi suruh suruh presentasi duluan kan?
Oke, betul.
Yes. Nah, aku baca yang nggak bisa bacanya.
Nggak apa-apa. Apa gimana? Coba ulang dari awal. Perlahan, ayo.
Morning, wake up and take a bath, perform wudu and prayer fajr, get ready and go to school. School arrive at school, study the first lesson. Return home and clean the house until Maghrib. Evening from Maghrib prayer, rest with no further activities. Aktivitas.
Okay. That's all.
What?
That's all. Udah kelar.
Yes. Dah.
Okay. Give a big hand once again, guys. Give a big hand for Miss Sela. Let's go, Miss Sela. That's good. Okay. So I have several feedbacks by the way for Miss Sela. Nah, okay. Actually, overall good. Okay. The way you deliver the material, the way you deliver your daily activity, it's really good by the way. Nah, akan tetapi you have to improve in pronunciation, of course. Nah, di pronunciation. Tadi itu gimana? Morning. Apa tadi?
Morning.
Wake up
And take a bath.
Nah, tambahkan dengan akunya.
Oh,
Nah, kan kalau diterjemahkan pagi bangun pagi, apa sih? Mandi. Apa sih? Nah, gitu kan. Siapa nih yang bangun pagi dan mandi? Siapa gitu kan?
Me,
Nah, maka ditambahkan nih ya. Artinya
yes.
Nah, begitu ya. Jadi in the morning I wake up and take a bath. Nah, begitu. Tambahkan juga jamnya.
Oh ya.
Nah, kan nggak mungkin langsung bangun tidur langsung mandi kayaknya ya. Jadi ada beberapa menit gitu kan ya. Nah, jadi so you can say in the morning I wake up at jam berapa bangunnya?
Jam 5 subuh berarti jam
At
5 subuh.
4 p.m.
5 o'clock.
Oh ya, 5 o'clock. Okay, that's
Yes.
good. Jam 5 tepat. Damn, okay. Nah, kemudian kamu bisa menyambungkan antara kalimat-kalimat tersebut menggunakan after that.
Oh yes, after that.
Setelah itu, nah begitu. Kemudian, guys, kalian tahu nggak what's the difference between wake up and get up? Kan kalau kalian buka tuh di terjemahan, when you open the dictionary, you can find the meaning of wake up adalah bangun kan?
Yes.
Nah, sedangkan get up juga bangun. So, what's difference between them? Jadi apa perbedaan antara keduanya nih?
Wake
Ada
up
yang tahu?
cuman buka mata, kalau get up itu maksudnya bangun dari tempat tidurnya. Gitu kan?
Nah, 104 Kadek. Jadi wake up itu kalian membuka mata kalian dari bangun tidur, tapi kalau get up itu adalah posisi kalian dari tiduran ke bangun gitu loh, sang gitu loh. Begitu. Itu dinamakan dengan get up. We call it get up. Okay? Nah,
Yes.
kemudian and then I wake up in the morning. I wake up at 5 a.m. or at 5 o'clock, and after that I go to the toilet for taking a bath or taking a shower.
Shower.
And after that, apa lagi? Setelah itu, then
And perform wudu and prayer fajr, get ready and go to school.
oh, I'm sorry. Perform wudu,
Yes, perform wudu,
perform.
ambil wudu. Iya gak sih?
Nah, mungkin ada ya apa namanya expression seperti itu. Cuman biasanya kalau di tempat kami nggak tuh, yang kita ketahui itu untuk wudu bisa kalian menyebut wudu ya. Tapi
Yes.
the other way to say wudu is take the water ablution or take the holy water. Begitu. Jadi bisa kalian apa namanya take the water ablution, and after taking a bath, I take the water ablution or take wudu. Begitu.
Yes.
Ngambil. Begitu ya. Nah, jadi perform itu ini kan menampilkan gitu kan. Jadi menampilkan wudu apa nih? Gimana nih? Menampilkan gimana tuh kan? Nah, jadi take wudu and then
Take the
next.
wudu and prayer fajr, get ready and go to school.
Okay, and pray and pray. You can say pray because prayer itu adalah pelakunya. Prayer tuh pelakunya, tapi kalau pray itu it could be verb and it could be noun. Itu bisa menjadi verb, bisa menjadi noun. Kamu sudah you can say pray. Udah gitu. Itu cukup kok. Dan kemudian aku salat, and after that I pray fajr gitu kan.
Yes.
Allah. And then what's next?
Next, get ready and go to school.
And I get ready. I get ready to go to school. Bersiap-siap pergi ke
Sekolah.
Okay, that's good. And then next.
Arrive at school, study the first lesson. Arrive.
Ini ya, ARRIVA.
Yes, yeah.
So cara bilang itu adalah arrive, okay?
Arrive.
It's good.
Yes.
Arrive. And tadi gimana? I arrive.
Arrive at school, study the first lesson.
Okay, I arrive at the school for
study the first lesson.
For studying the first lesson. Okay. I arrive at my school for studying the first lesson. First.
Yeah, first.
Okay, first yeah. Okay, and after that next,
return home and clean the house until maghrib.
Okay.
Until.
And after that I return. Apa tadi? Kembali gitu kan? Kembali itu tuh return. Okay. Return. Jadi bukan return, tapi return. Okay, repeat after me. Return. Come on. Return.
Return, yes.
Betul. Return and clean until
Maghrib.
Until maghrib. Okay, and after that,
Evening perform Maghrib prayer, rest with no further activities.
sorry. After maghrib,
Mana sih? From Maghrib
oh,
prayer,
maghrib.
rest with no further apa sih?
Nyantai.
Further
Sabar.
aktivitas.
From maghrib, read kan, READ.
Salah.
Oh, bukan.
REST.
Rest.
Rest with
Oh,
no
rest.
further.
Okay, istirahat toh.
Yes.
You have to say rest.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, and what's your last activity by the way? Apa aktivitas terakhir kamu dalam sehari itu?
Bersih aktivitasnya.
Oh iya betul
Berarti
ya, clean
clean.
tadi ya.
Ya.
Oh ya, clean. Oke. Overall good ya, Sela.
Yes.
Apa namanya feedbacknya itu udah bagus segala macamnya, dan apa yang saya bilang tadi itu bukan apa namanya kayak jangan ngebuat down mental ya, tapi itu apa namanya untuk memperbaiki
Yes.
your speaking, okay, about
Yes.
pronunciation. Nah, jadi Sela ini udah keren, gacor, kemudian cuman tinggal di-improve masalah pronunciation-nya aja, oke?
Oh yes.
That's good. Nah, caranya guys di sini how to improve your pronunciation, you can always listen the native speaker, okay? Kalian bisa dengerin native speaker ngomong in dictionary, bisa kalian buka dictionary offline or online. Secara offline nggak bisa, secara online ya. Secara online itu ada biasanya gambar volume itu kalian bisa klik dan dengarkan. Atau kalian juga bisa belajar pronunciation about 44 symbols. Kalian pernah nggak kira-kira di sini when you open your dictionary, ketika kalian ngebuka dictionary itu you see the word symbol. Kalian ngelihat simbol-simbol aneh. Pernah nggak? Di sini nggak ada pentulis ya. Gimana saya nganuinnya? Nggak ada. Ini lagi. Ada nggak? Pernah nggak ngelihat simbol-simbol aneh? Aduh, gimana saya ngecontohinnya ya? Bentar. Nyantai dulu, guys. Nyantai. Sabar ya. Sabar. Hey, where's the marker? Hey, do you have marker here? Marker? Oh guys, sorry guys. Nah guys, oke guys. Nah kalian pernah nggak sih ngelihat ketika apa namanya kayak vlog gini jadinya? Aman ya. Nah jadi apa namanya ngebuka, when you open your dictionary, you find this symbol like this. You can say, you can see. Atau yang begini? Nggak pernah ya?
Enggak Mi.
Nggak pernah lihat atau nggak pernah buka dictionary ini? Nah, begini. Jadi guys, kalian ketika apa namanya ngebuka dictionary itu bakal ketemu sama yang begini-begini tuh. Nah, simbol-simbol aneh. Nah, begini, simbol-simbol aneh itulah yang bakal ngetuntun kalian untuk ngomong bisa bahasa Inggris secara benar pengucapannya. For example, how to say lidah in English?
Yes.
Nah, apa yes apa nih? Nah, bahasa Inggrisnya lidah itu apa? Tongue kan? Tapi gimana cara ngebacanya?
So,
Ada yang tahu? Yang tahu saya beri hadiah, guys. Itu dia. Cara baca lidah yang tongue itu adalah tongue. Found, oke. Nah, jadi gimana cara taunya? Kita buka apa namanya? Your dictionary, open your dictionary, and you will find the weird symbol. Simbolnya aneh-aneh gitu. Nah, simbol-simbol aneh itulah yang apa namanya menuntun kalian untuk bisa mengucapkan sebuah kata dengan benar. Begitu. Nah, seperti itu. Nah, meskipun kalian belum belajar masalah simbol ini, kalian bisa alternatifnya adalah mendengarkan, oke? Dictionary secara online. Misalnya nih, perut. How to say perut in English? Stomach kan?
Yes.
Tapi how do you pronounce it? Tapi gimana kalian pronounce itu? Gimana ya coba? Apakah stomach? No, of course. When you open the dictionary, you have to hear first. And they say stomach. Mereka bilang stomach, bukan stomach. Stomach. So that's why perut sakit itu bukan stomachache, akan tetapi stomach ache. Begitu. Nah, belajar begini. Nanti kita belajarnya. Oke, kalau ada kesempatan. Cia. Begitu. Oke, next. Sela. Thank you so much for your thank you so much for your presentation by the way. Nah,
Yes,
oke.
you're
So,
welcome.
Sela, please choose your friends for presentation. To be next presentator. Pilih satu teman kamu yang
Yes.
bakal jadi next presentator. Siapa ya?
Siapa ya?
Jangan laki-laki deh.
Ada Kak.
No, yang boy.
Oh, yang laki.
Yang boy.
Rawi.
Yeah, Rawi. Let's go, Rawi. Show your voice.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear your voice.
Every morning I get up at 5 a.m.
Hmm?
Then I take a bath
Hmm?
and get dressed.
Get?
At 5. Dress.
Oh ya,
Gimana sih? Dress. Gimana sih baca?
Get dressed, huh?
At 5:30 a.m. I have breakfast. And at 6 a.m. I go to school with my father. At 6:30 a.m. I arrive at school, and at 7 a.m. I'm starting the lessons.
I start.
I start the lesson.
Okay. Start the lesson.
At 11:50 a.m. I have lunch with my friends in the canteen.
I have lunch
with my friends
in
the canteen.
Okay.
At 1:45 p.m. I selesai sekolah.
I finish my lesson in school.
I finish my lesson in school and go to home with TJ and Gojek Trans Jogja.
Trans Jogja.
Yes.
Sorry tadi I go back to my home.
Yeah.
Menggunakan tadi gimana?
With Trans Jogja and Gojek.
Nah, you can say by. Jadi bukan with, tapi by, menggunakan by Trans Jogja and tadi online and Grab ya tadi ya.
Yes, and Gojek.
And Gojek. So, and after that I go back or I get back to my home by. Nah, jadi bukan with ya. Okay, that's good. Then
I arrive home at 3 p.m. and I take a bath for 15 minutes.
For 15 minutes.
Then I do my homework and after that I go to watching movie.
I go to
Watching movie.
I go watching movie.
At 7 p.m. I go to study until 9 p.m. Then I go to sleep.
Game and I go to sleep. Oke, nggak begadang mas. Oh, you maybe you want to push rank, maybe ya.
Kalau sekolah enggak.
Woi, kalau liburan ya. Let's go. Oke. And then?
Dan
Oh, enough. Okay, give a big hand or give applause for Mr. Rawi Taraka. Damn. Okay. Same as Miss Sela. Udah bagus. You're good for presenting your daily activity, right? Nah, akan tetapi nggak ada akan tetapinya. Your pronunciation is good also. Jadi apa namanya pengucapan kamu juga udah bagus, udah ini. Please improve it, tingkatkan lagi. Oke. Nah, ini Rawi Taraka kalau diimprove terus setiap hari udah jadi dah. Jadi apa? Jadi apa terserah lah. jadi bule. Jadi salah satu apa namanya latihan apa namanya practice for improving your speaking right. Yeah, you can talk with anything. Kamu bisa berbicara dengan siapapun. For example, dulu kalau semisal apa namanya kalau ada mirror di depan mirror bisa kalian ngomong kan. Ataupun misalnya record yourself. Rekam diri kamu. And after that check it dan koreksi. Oke, ya. Kalau semisal bingung, malu ke kamera, kalian ngomong sendiri like a crazy person kepada siapapun itu. Saya dulu pengalaman ngomong sama air. Oke, when I take a bath, ketika gua apa namanya mandi, and I said, oh thank you water, you have already cleaned my body. Kamu udah apa namanya bersihin badanku. Oh thank you sabun. Okay, you have blah 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 blah. Even with grammar error. Meskipun I have thank you you clean body my body. It's okay. Kita melatih kefluenan kalian. Okay, you're confident first. Okay. Nah, seperti itu. Oke, thank you so much Mr. Rawi Taraka and Sela. Mungkin after this you can speak with water, okay? In bathroom. Kalian bisa ngomong dengan air di kamar mandi. Oke, that's good. Asal nggak ada kelihatan orang aja. Betul. Apalagi emak kalian jangan tolong. Oke, begitu. Oke, so Rawi Taraka, please choose one your friend a girl.
Only one.
Oh, only one? Yes, of course.
Rinda.
Ya, only one ya. Only one ya, Kadek ya. Hehehe. Oke, Kadek. Show your voice. Damn.
Langsung aja Mister ya.
Langsung aja. Boleh dah. Langsung ke mana nih?
A day in my life.
Day.
Every morning I wake up at 4:30 a.m. After 10 minutes, I get up, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a quick shower. Then get ready for morning worship at 5:30 a.m. After morning worship, I will drop my younger siblings off at 6:45 a.m. At 7:30 a.m. in the morning, I have breakfast. Then look after the shop while watching drama and reading novel. At 1:30, I eat lunch and keep minding the shop until 5 p.m. I rest for 30 minutes, then have a shower and get ready for evening worship at 7:30 p.m. After I finish my worship, I have dinner and get ready for my online class from 8 o'clock until 9:30 in the evening.
Hmm.
After my evening class, I read a book about reincarnation for half an hour, then go
Hmm.
to bed at 11:30 at night.
Oke. Oke. Wih, Desi, tiba-tiba Desi kemana gitu? Wih, Desi, yo,
Izin Kak, tadi mati listrik.
walah Ci. Gak apa, aman aja, gak apa.
Oke.
Oke, oke, Kadek. Good, of course good. Ya, ya, your presentation is good by the way. Nah, okay, so maybe I have same as Miss Sela. You have to improve your pronunciation, right? Nah, pronunciation kamu tuh ada beberapa, tadi ada beberapa titik yang agak-agak terpeleset, bukan salah, tapi terpeleset doang. For example, sarapan tadi gimana sarapan? Coba aja sarapan.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Gimana?
Sorry, Mr. Tremor.
Jangan sorry. Lost doll. Gimana?
Harusnya breakfast ya atau
Nah,
breakfast?
sarapan,
Breakfast. Sorry,
sarapan
Tremor.
itu breakfast.
Breakfast. Oh, break. Oh, yeah.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Don't say breakfast. Okay? It's okay. Nyantai mas. Nyantai miss. Nah, breakfast. And after that, I have breakfast at blah 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 blah. Wait, ini missnya you use British style right? For time. Kamu menggunakan style British untuk menyatakan expressing about the time, untuk menyatakan jam, kan? Do you like British style?
Lumayan.
Okay, so after this, you have to practice to speak in British accent, okay? So erase all of the R sound. Hapus segala huruf R yang ada di lidah kamu. Karena mereka tidak suka dengan R sound. For example, woah, okay? Woah.
Mau and Harry Poah.
Nah, itu dia lo ya. Woah. Nah, okay? Okay, overall good. Thank you so much for your for your presentation. By the way, Kadek. Okay, so Kadek. Okay, choose one boy. Yes.
The only Mr.
Okay.
Miftah.
So sorry,
Bro Miftah.
Bro Miftah. Who's Miftah? Oh, Muhammad Miftah Rizky. Okay. Okay, sorry, bro. Okay, so please welcome for Muhammad Miftah Ar-Rizki. Okay, give a big hand for Muhammad Miftah Ar-Rizki, yo. So, the time is yours for present. Anjay, Rawi Tarakat. Ada begitu. Emot. Nah, okay, so Muhammad Rawi Taraka kan? Muhammad Miftah. Okay. Silakan, the time is yours. Show your voice, name.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Muhammad Rizky. I'm a 5th semester Geomatics Engineering student at UPN Veteran Jakarta. Today, I would like to tell you about my daily activity. During my holiday, I wake up at 5:30 a.m. Then I get up, make my bed, brush my teeth, and wash my face. After that, I take wudu and do the subuh prayer. When I finishing praying, I take a shower, get dressed, and have breakfast with my family. I usually eat fried rice, bread, or eggs for breakfast because they give me energy for the day.
Damn.
Since I'm on holiday, I usually help my parents, such as cleaning the house, watering the plants, or taking out the trash. After that, I work on my freelance projects for a few hours. I enjoy working on these projects because they help me improve my skills and gain experience. At 12:30 p.m., I have lunch with my At
It's okay,
half
it's okay.
half at half past 12 p.m. I have lunch and take a short break. In the
Thank
in the
you.
in the afternoon, I usually play futsal or jogging with my friends because because there is my favorite hobby.
Hmm.
If I stay at home, I listen to music, play games, or surf the internet to relax.
Hmm.
In the evening, I take a shower, take wudu, and do the Maghrib prayer. After that, I attend an online English class at Kampung Inggris from 7 p.m. to half past 8 p.m.
Hmm.
During the class, I practice speaking, listening, grammar, and learn new vocabulary to improve my English.
Hmm.
After the class, I have dinner with my family. Then I usually watch YouTube, play with my friends, or
Hmm.
spend some time relaxing.
Hmm.
Before going to bed, I do the Isha prayer, brush my teeth, and turn off the lamp. Finally, I go to bed at around 11 p.m. so I can wake up early and start a new day feeling refreshed.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mister.
Okay. Wow. Amazing. Okay, amazing. Okay. You can for Mr. Muhammad Miftah. Yo, I think you have already used to Osda speak in English, right? Especially talking about your daily activity. So that's why you can tell me more about your job, your work, your business, and your anything. Damn, that's good. It's really good, by the way. Good explanation. Nah, but karena rata-rata because you have already spoken English well, kalian udah ngomong bahasa Inggris udah bener. So I have a feedbacks about pronunciation, right? And again about pronunciation. Nah, lagi dan lagi terkait dengan pronunciation. Nah, jadi tadi saya udah ngecatat beberapa quiz kita apa namanya kayak live gitu ya. Nah, jadi ada beberapa yang mispronunciation Muhammad Miftah. It's for you for improving your speaking skill. Actually, good. Okay, good. But tadi breakfast, sarapan masih breakfast tuh. Saya dengar. Okay, you have to say breakfast. Okay, breakfast. Bukan breakfast, tapi breakfast. And after that, you said, and after that, take a bath, right? Gitu tadi.
Yes, Mister.
Nah, pokoknya begini, okay? If you find T and H in every single word, jadi ketika kamu bertemu TH di setiap kata dalam bahasa Inggris, itu dibacanya itu gimana saya ngejelasinnya? Apa? So, online class.
Oh, cie.
Sorry guys, ada. Oke, sorry guys. Jangan di sini. Orang lagi belajar. Keluar kalian. Oke, sorry guys. Provident by the way. It's Provident. Okay, so jika kalian if you find TH in every single word, okay? Ketika kalian menemukan TH di dalam setiap kata dalam bahasa Inggris, itu kalian harus bilangnya gimana? Ada yang tahu? Ada yang tahu?
Jadi Mister.
Gimana?
Disiksa oleh
Oh,
dua
take a
Harus
bath.
bacanya teh. Teh. Teh.
oh iya cing tahu aku
Oke, letakkan gigi kalian semuanya. Ayo semuanya letakkan gigi kalian. Ting gigi sekalian, oke. Di atas lidah. Oke. Semuanya. Oke, semuanya. Lalu alirkan angin.
ini juga dua dia
Bath.
Orang belajar tuh loh. Letakin gigi kalian, oke? Di atas gini. And then alirkan anginnya. Sah. Nah, kalau kalian ketemu sama TH di kata bahasa Inggris itu harus dibaca seperti itu. Jadi, ketika kalian ingin bilang take a bath, itu bukan take a bath ya guys ya, take a bath, tapi take a bath. Take a bath. Take a bath. And then the other example, contoh yang lainnya, ketika kalian bilang berpikir, gimana cara berpikir? How to say berpikir in English?
Thinking.
Think. Nah, think. Apakah benar think? Nah, yang benar adalah karena kan think itu kan THINK gitu kan berpikir ya. Nah, ada TH tuh di situ tuh. Maka kalian nggak boleh bilangnya think, 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 think. Tapi gimana? Think. Bentar. Think. Think. Jadi ada kalian pernah apa namanya huruf hijaiyah, huruf ta, abata, ta. I'm sorry yang maksudnya kalau belum tahu gitu kan ya, sorry ya. Tapi ini mendekati, bukan mendekati, sama kayak huruf ta dalam huruf hijaiyah, huruf Arab. Ta. Begitu. Jadi jangan bilang think tapi you have to say think. Jangan bilang something something tapi you have to say something. Jadi lembut gitu lah. Begitu loh ya. Take a bath, breakfast, lalu tadi tuh mendengar. Ya, mendengar nih. Listen. Oh, don't say listen, but you have to say listen without T. Nah, nggak percaya sir, I don't trust you, I believe in you, it's okay. Jangan percaya saya, tapi buka please welcome. Please open your dictionary. Kalian nggak akan menemukan huruf bunyi T di kata listen. Bacanya adalah listen. Okay? Listen carefully. Nah, seperti itu. Okay? Listen, breakfast, bath. Take a bath, think, something, number 3. Nah, jadi beda nih, tree sama pohon, tree pohon sama 3 pohon. 3 sama pohon gitu loh. 3 itu tree. Oke. Kalau pohon itu tree. Kalau 3 itu three. Nah, seperti itu. Oke semuanya. 3. Begitu ya. Oke, ini kayaknya si satu tadi tuh ini ya. Mati lampu atau gimana nih? Udah nyala ya. Okay. So, thank you so much for Mr. Muhammad Miftah Ariski. Really good, by the way. And the last contestant, please welcome to. Udah selesai semua ya? Udah semua tuh? Wah,
Kurang Desi.
tadi udah ini. Jadi enggak apa nanti apa namanya kalau dia gabung, if she join, she has to speak for 30 minutes, right? Ngomong 30 menit ya. Okay, guys. So, about when you speak in English, it's not only about speak anything, but you have to know about how to pronounce. Bagaimana pronounce-nya, okay? Jadi, the first thing that you have to do is first listen carefully when you try to memorize one new word, a new word. Okay, satu kosakata baru. For example, how to say masjid, mosque. Oh, kita ngeliat mosque nih, tapi kita dengerin. Kalau semisal kita masih belum tahu how to read the 44 symbols in pronunciation, phonetic symbol, okay? Bilangnya adalah mosque, bukan mosque atau mosque. Apalagi tadi lidah, tonggu, tongwe, or tenggo, apalagi tenggo, bukan tenggo ya. Nah, you have to say tongue. Perut itu stomach. Ayo, kalau apa namanya, kumis, mustache, gimana tuh? How to pronounce it? Nah, you have to say mustache. Kok mustache, sir? Ada syah-syahnya, ada huruf shinnya. Nggak tahu. Ya, kebiasaan mereka tuh. Kebiasaan native speaker. Kita juga tidak tahu kenapa huruf E pada elang, pada burung elang disebut dengan E. Siapa coba yang kira-kira mendahului nyebut E di burung elang? Nggak tahu tuh? Nah, sama kayak begitu juga. Bahasa itu dalam ilmu linguistik, in linguistic knowledge, itu arbitration, arbiter, sesuka-suka. Sesuka-suka siapa? Sesuka-suka penuturnya. Jadi kalau kalian bertanya, Sir, kenapa sih hukum grammar gini, simple present tuh gini, 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 atau kenapa disebut dengan ini? Itu sesuai dengan penuturnya, sesuka-suka penuturnya. In linguistic knowledge, in linguistic, we call it arbitration. Sesuka-suka hati penutur awalnya. Kemudian turun-temurun jadilah sebuah bahasa. Nah, seperti itu, oke? Nah, about pronunciation. Nah, kemudian kita udah belajar apa aja kemarin? Alfabet udah, gitu kan ya. Kemudian greeting, pre-closing, closing udah toh. And then self-introduction udah pasti kayaknya. Oke, introducing others udah? Have done? Udah tuh. Introducing others, memperkenalkan orang lain? Udah?
Not yet, Mister.
Oh, not yet? Dang, how could it be? So what should I teach, by the way? Okay, introducing others. Okay, so sorry ya guys ya, self introduction udah, introducing others sudah, numeral belum ya, numeral have done, and then telling time have done, daily activity have done. Okay, so for the next meeting, we will learn about describing someone. Okay, describing someone, mendeskripsikan seseorang. Okay, so for do you have model, the material? Udah dapat modulnya? Atau belum? Oh, nggak ada. Oke, saya bentar ya, saya fotoin. I will take the photo for you guys, and I'll send for you, of course. It's free. Wait ya, guys. For example, wait a minute. Okay, describing someone. Wait. Describing someone. And I have already sent to your group, right? Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. So for tonight, we are going to learn about describing someone. Cara mendeskripsikan seseorang. Nah, kemudian there are several vocabularies that you have to know. Ada beberapa vocab gitu kan yang harus kamu tahu untuk mendeskripsikan. Okay, is there any vocabulary that you don't know the meaning? Dek, itu adalah tulang. Wait. Oh, sorry. Here in my book. Is that a problem, guys?
Sorry, Mister, suaranya
Okay.
putus-putus.
Oh iya, walah Ci. Wait ya guys ya. Oh, nggak pakai wifi. Wah, Ci. Wah. Wih, bentar, sabar guys ya. Walah. Wede, welean iki guys. Can you hear my voice well, guys? Kedengaran dengan baik gak dan indah
Yes,
suaranya?
Mister.
Okay,
Yes,
that's good. Okay, let's crack on our material. Hey. Okay, so kita akan mengikuti modul. We are going to follow the model. So the next material after daily activity is describing someone, right? Describing someone. Okay, for describing someone, you have to know several vocabularies. Beberapa vocab about their character, their personality, their skin tone, and etc. Oke. Nah, yang pertama kita lihat dulu nih, ada nggak di kosakata di kolom height and build itu ada nggak yang kurang diketahui? Tall, tinggi, short, pendek, average height itu merujuk kepada tinggi rata-rata. Oke. Slim itu langsing, athletic and muscular itu sama apa namanya untuk mendeskripsikan badan yang agak-agak berotot gitu ya, atletis gitu loh. And then petite. Nah, how to say petite in English? Yo. Petite ya. Nah, yes betul. Yes, you are true. Okay. So you have to say petite. Okay. With penekanan with pressure here. Petite. Okay. Itu artinya adalah mungil. Nah, that's good, right? Thin itu kurus and plump itu artinya agak berisi. Jadi kita tidak menggunakan fat untuk gemuk. No, bro. It's really sensitive. Okay. And then hair, long, short, curly, striped, blonde. Blonde itu adalah
Pirang.
Gray, bald adalah botak. Black hair, brown hair, and then move to eyes, big eyes, small eyes, round eyes, almond shaped, blue-eyed, hazel-eyed. Hazel itu adalah warna apa namanya? Mata yang hijau kecoklatan. Gitu loh. Coklat kehijauan, hijau kecoklatan. Itu hazel. And brown-eyed, green-eyed. Kemudian skin tone. Itu ada fair. You know fair? Fair di sini bukan bermakna adil ya guys ya. Oh, tapi ada mantap banget tuh. Oke, 100 buat antum. Yes. Fair itu cerah. Oke. Papale. Nah, pucat, pale. Oke. And then tanned.
Sawo matang.
That's good. Yes, of course. Dark.
Gelap.
Hey, parah banget.
Hitam manis.
Langsung klarifikasi. Okay, olive.
Kuning langsat atau
good. And then rosy cheeks.
Pipi kemerahan.
That's good. Pipi kemerahan, yo.
Yes.
And then move to facial.
Fitur wajah tajam.
Nah, fitur wajah nggak tuh keren.
Atau
kita
tegas.
punya fitur. Yes, sharp features itu tegas. Yeah, and then round face, oval face, chiseled, dimples.
Langsung pipi.
Hey, freckles. Freckles itu adalah
bintik-bintik coklat di wajah.
Bintik-bintik coklat di wajah. Beard.
Jenggot.
Jagung ya. Okay, janggut or jenggot, and then nah ini kumis tadi gimana cara bacanya? How do you pronounce it?
Moustache.
Ayo.
Beard.
Ayo. Oh. So you have to say mustache.
Yes, mustache.
Mustache, okay? Mustache, okay? And then the last one is glasses, means
Kacamata.
that's good, alright. And then character, move to character, okay? Kind itu baik hati. Friendly itu adalah ramah. Generous adalah
dermawan.
Dermawan. Honest.
Jujur.
Jujur. Patient.
Sabar.
Sabar. Confident. Percaya.
Diri.
Talkative.
Suka bicara yeping.
Suka bicara yeping kayak saya, cerewet dan semuanya. Oke. Actually I'm introvert guys. You know, I'm introvert. Gua introvert parah. Cuman harus ngomong di sini ya. Aduh. Yes, ngomong. Oh, tuh Rawi udah tumbuh mustache itu. Okay, next. Wise means bijaksana. Bijaksana. Outgoing.
Mudah bergaul.
Mudah bergaul. That's good. Okay, about the personality. Okay, shy, malu
Malu.
pemalu, bukan pemabuk ya. And then moody. Nah, ini kemudian, okay, sering berganti-ganti moodnya. And then stubborn, okay, apa?
Keras kepala.
That's good, keras kepala. Lazy,
Malas.
malas. Jealous itu cemburuan, iri hati dengki, ujub sombong. Wah, gitu pokoknya ya. Jealous, anjay. Rawi Taraka udah gabut banget tuh. And then the last one is rude, mean kasar, liar, bisa nggak baik lah pokoknya ya, konotasinya negatif. Oke, age terakhir nih, yang muda, teenager, means remaja, adult,
dewasa.
Ayo, siapa yang ngebacanya adult? Temennya komen. Ayo. So you have to pronounce it adult. You have to say adult. No, yo. Bukan adult. And then kalau digini adult, no, adult. Okay. Nah, adult itu dewasa. Middle age. Paruh baya. Old itu tua. Elderly adalah lanjut usia. Casual style ya tau lah ya. T-shirt, jeans, sneakers, short, casual dress, formal dress. Oke, alhamdulillah Desi Rahmawati has joined. Oke, Desi. Yay! Let's go. Ganti lagi deh.
Udah nyala.
Oke, Desi. So you have to speak for 19 minutes. Speak 19 menit. Ayo. You get punishment.
Okay. A day in my life. Every morning I wake up at 6
Oke, langsung.
o'clock a.m. for bed to clean the room. After the bath, I take a shower and get dressed. At 57 a.m. I have
27.
7:25 itu apa ya?
7:25.
7:25. I have breakfast. I have breakfast, fried rice and cup of the hot tea.
Hot tea ya.
Oke banget ya.
Nah, keep going. It's okay.
At 8:30 in the morning, I left the house to go to work. At 9 o'clock, I'm afraid. Udah sampai tempat kerja itu apa? Afraid at the office.
Arrive. Tiba toh. Arrive.
Arrive on the office.
Okay, in the office. On the office mah di atas office gimana?
Oh iya. Office.
Oh, aman aja.
Terus saya mengerjakan tuh my work include cek email, kontrak dokumen, invoice, dan laporan.
Oke.
Terus at 20 o'clock noon I take a break for lunch prepare by the office. Tak singkat aja ya.
Loh, suddenly change Java iki wes. Kemana iki? Wes, lanjut wes. Walah, Cece. Ya. Gimana ya? Gimana? Lanjut lah, enggak apa-apa.
At 1 o'clock p.m. at apa ya ini? Melanjutkan pekerjaan itu apa?
Continue to finish my work.
Continue to finish my work document.
Oh, okay.
At 5 o'clock in the afternoon, I came home from work.
Aku balik gitu ya ke rumah.
Aku balik ke rumah.
I
Udah gitu
get.
aja, Miss.
Oh,
Miss,
sabar. Walah, Ci. Wah ya, punishment.
Gitu
Woi.
aja.
I get back. Lanjutin. Belum sampai rumah ya, guys. Maksudnya belum tidur lagi, wah. I get back.
I'm afraid home at a quarter past 6, jam 6:15.
Okay.
Impedidly took up shower and rest for a while. At 7 o'clock p.m., I took an English class via Zoom. And at I finished at apa ini? 8:30 Ya, gitu aja.
Wih, sabar mbak. Nggak tahu, mau tanya saya. Ya, oke. Sabar Mbak Desi. Ayo, keep going. You can do it.
At 9 o'clock p.m. I went to sleep. Terus run to my run the next day. Itu hari selanjutnya. Udah.
Okay, give a big hand for Miss Desi. Yo, that's really good. Nah, Miss Desi, keren nih. Okay, thank you so much for Miss Desi. And yes, of course, overall, all of you have good skills. Okay, your speaking are good, by the way, guys. Speaking kalian tuh udah bagus. And then, as I said before, you have to improve your pronunciation, okay? Lagi-lagi pronunciation. So, guys, pentingnya belajar pronunciation itu adalah ketika you know there are many people here in Kampung Inggris Jogja, okay? Banyak orang di sini Kampung Inggris Jogja, they are in advanced class. Great. Mereka tuh udah advance. Ngomongnya cang cing cung. But their pronunciation is really not it's not good. Gitu. Pronunciation mereka tuh nggak bagus. Oke, perut dibaca stomach, oke. Kemudian apalagi masjid disebut moskwe, oke. Lidah disebut tongwe, begitu. Nah, so once again, talking about speaking, it means you have to learn about pronunciation also, because the pronunciation is the cornerstone of speaking, pondasi daripada ngomong. Kita nih dengar orang orang luar negeri ngomong bahasa Indonesia salah, mereka ngomong, oke, kita ketawa toh. Apa begitu? Or maybe Cinta Laura aja kita ledekin, so begitu, lebay amat gitu loh. Padahal itu lidahnya udah kebiasa dengan cara kerja bahasa Inggris tuh. Begitu. Nah, itu kita ceng-cengin tuh. Apa coba ngomong begitu? Sama, guys, sebenarnya. Mereka juga ngedengar kita terpeleset kata, itu juga kayak ngomong apa tadi? Begitu ya. Jadi untuk Miss Desi, oke, tadi at itu tadi kan dibaca you said at, so you have to say at, okay? I wake up or I get up or I go to the school at, okay? Don't say at, but you have to say at 5 o'clock, at a quarter past 10, and etc. Okay, and then there is tadi ada pergi ke kerjaan nih tadi ya, work. Nah, you have to say work. Okay, work. If you want to use American style, you can say work with R sound. But if you want to say in British accent, you have to say work without R sound. Okay. Jadi kalaunya British itu suka ngilangin R, huruf R. Jadi kalau kamu nggak hobi baca R, kalian bisa banget pakai British. Okay, work. Kalau American, work. Ada So, in English, don't say okay? But you have to say R. Lidah kalian tuh begini kan? Gini kan? Nah, cara bilangnya adalah don't say begitu, tapi dilipat begini ke atas. Okay, repeat after me, everybody. Let's go. Miss Desi. Okay. So you have to say work. Okay. Nah, don't say work. Apalagi work. Nah, itu dia. Okay. Nah, tapi sulit sir kalau semisal R-nya nggak dibaca harus dibaca ilangin using British accent. So you have to say work, or maybe if you want to mention mobil in English, don't say car, but car. I have a car. Nah, gitu kan ya. I have a car, a bottle of water. Water. Nggak usah bilang water, or maybe what's next? Clearly. Jadi clearly dengan clear gitu kan, tapi you have to say clearly. Okay, and then kentut, fart, bukan lagi fart, tapi fart. Okay, nah seperti itu. Jadi sangat penting untuk diketahui how to pronounce. Okay, mungkin malam ini tonight gue bakal lebih nge-press, maksudnya lebih I want to teach you about the important of pronounce, pentingnya pengucapan seperti itu. Okay, panjang pendeknya. For example, sheet and sheet. How to say? Lembaran dan itu. Gimana cara ngebedainnya? Okay. Jadi ada yang dibaca pendek, sheet, 500 sheet. Nah, coba for example, kalian ngebeli kertas yang buat print, and then kalian baca it's for 500 sheet. For example, bayangin 500 itu. Gimana nggak salah? You have to say sheet. Harus panjang, sheet. Okay, artinya lembaran. Begitu. 500 sheet, not sheet. Okay. And then next, pantai dengan itu. Kebiasaan itu kan, contohnya gitu. Pantai itu harus panjang, beach. Kalau yang satunya, ya udah nggak apa-apa, biarin pendek. Begitu. Nah, so I want to go to the beach, for example. Aku ingin pergi ke sana. So, gimana? Misunderstanding. Gitu. Jadi, the important,
Aku lagi berkaca.
Berkaca, yes, it's up to you lah. So, tonight, I just want to say, it's really important for you guys for learning, for studying about pronunciation, because the pronunciation again and again, as I said before, that pronunciation is the cornerstone of your speaking, mahkota kalian, fondasi kalian. Okay, Nah, begitu aja. Nah, so suara saya. Oke. Okay. So for next, I have already sent the material for describing others. Okay. So it's maybe for tomorrow. Maybe the class will be led by Miss Ama. Okay. I don't want to teach here. Hey, no, bercanda, bercanda guys. Girls, nggak bercanda. Kalem ya. Jangan diviralin ya. Oke, nyantai. Gitu kan ya.
Dikirim
Nah,
ke admin.
dikirim ke admin katanya. Nah, besok for tomorrow, please, okay, the task, the homework, okay, choose one figure, okay, satu figur itu apa sih bahasa Indonesia? Figur pokoknya. Ya, figur. Even in Indonesian figure, actress, artist, actor, president, politician, bahlil, etc. So after that, okay, you have to prepare her or his picture, and after that, presentation, and please describe him or her, gitu ya. Deskripsikan. Okay, for example, you show the Jokowi's photo, and after that, you present in front of your friends about the characteristic of Mr. Jokowi, about her skin tone, about the the face, his face, and then etc. Okay, so ya, aman. Gitu. Jadi kalian harus siapkan satu foto, nanti diginiin aja nggak apa-apa, pakai HP nggak apa-apa gitu ya, atau gimana terserah gitu kan. Kemudian, okay sir, I would like to talk about Jokowi, for example, or Bahlil. Okay, actually Bahlil is the ministry of, dia kementerian apa sih? Bahlil? Sumber daya. Itulah pokoknya. Nah, the Ministry of blah 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 blah. And tonight I want to talk. I want to describe him. Okay. Let's start about her face. Her face. His face. Ayo kita mulai dari mukanya. Okay. Actually, he has dimples. Hey. So that's why when he smile. Okay, everyone will be happy. Begitu. Ketika dia senyum, semua orang bakal happy because he has dimples. Punya lesung pipi. For example. And then he usually wear the formal dress. Okay, because he is the ministry. Karena dia adalah seorang minister, seorang menteri. Nah, for example seperti itulah ya. Nah, so is there any question? No question, of course. Is there any question, guys? Miss Sela. Okay, first. Miss Sela. Is there any question?
Boleh tolong ulangin nggak? Dari tadi ada itu ponakan.
Ada apa?
Ada keponakan sih agak ganggu.
Keponakannya kesini. Oke. Jadi ini ulang yang mana nih?
Dari foto tuh.
Foto kita Oke. Jadi you have to prepare a photo. Kamu harus siapkan satu foto, and then because tomorrow we are going to learn about describing others. Kita akan belajar terkait untuk mendeskripsikan orang lain seperti itu. So I have already sent the materials. Gua udah ngirim materinya itu kan dari tinggi badannya seperti apa, bentuk badan, bentuk badan segala macam. Nah, so your task, your homework is preparation, persiapan for tomorrow, for presentation of course, because this is the speaking class. So you have to speak. Jadi kan harus ngomong nih gitu kan. Nah, siapa sir? Terserah, it's up to you. Even your father, your mother, even your idol, maybe Kim Jong Un, Kim Jong Kok, whatever you want. Okay, President,
Yes.
it's up to you because there's no buzzer here, gak ada buzzer kok di sini. Jadi aman, tentram, it's okay, yo. Nah, and then after that, one by one you have to present it. Satu persatu kalian harus ngomong tentang orang tersebut, tinggi badannya, bentuk tuh apa namanya, wajahnya, pakaiannya seperti apa, seperti itu. Oke?
Okay. Yes.
Nah, oke, that's good. Any else?
Ulang lagi Sir.
Udah.
Aman?
Yes. Yes.
Enter.
Yes.
Oke.
Thank you,
Masuk.
Mister.
Enter ya. Oke, so Rawita Raka, Mr. Rawita Raka, is there a question?
No, sir.
Damn, okay. And then Muhammad Miftah Rizki?
No, Mister.
No, Mr. Desi Rahmawati?
No.
Oke. Oke, Kadek nggak ada. Iya. No. Iya. Ya, oke, ya, Kadek.
I have question,
What,
Mister.
what question? What question?
Urutan belajar bahasa Inggris yang benar, Mister.
Wah, yang bener ya. Waduh.
By the way, live-nya Mister sering lewat di beranda TikTok.
Live
Oh,
saya.
bukan itu Doni. Wajahnya mirip kali.
Wes. Gua mirip sama Doni.
Masa
Doni mirip sama gua.
Oh.
Itu Mr. Doni, guys, bukan Mr.
Oh,
I.
Mister Doni.
Ih,
Itu namanya Mr. Doni.
jangan deket-deket.
Aku Miss Vira yang sering chattingan sama kalian di grup.
Oh, hello, Miss.
Hello, jangan nakal-nakal ya.
Yes. Sayang.
Bisa bicarakan itu, Miss.
Apa?
Enggak. Jodoh.
Urutan belajar bahasa Inggris, it depends on needs, by the way. Tergantung dengan keperluan kalian. If you want just for traveling, for example, just for traveling or maybe for conversation in your daily life, yes, okay. So you have to practice more about speaking, to speak. Okay, kalian harus belajar speaking. So what's the first thing material that I have to learn for speaking? Of course, greeting. Karena nggak mungkin kalian ketemu orang baru langsung see you. No, pasti greeting, memberi salam dulu. Excuse me, okay, can I have your time? Just making conversation with you, gitu-gitu kan ya. For example, kayak semisal hunting bule, gitu kan ya. Nah, kalian nggak mungkin tuh langsung, sir, where are you from? It's implied, bro. You have to introduce yourself first. Greeting. Excuse me, sir. Can I have your time? Maybe only 4-5 minutes. And after that, I want to practice my English because I am the learner of English. English. Ya pokoknya English begitu. Nah tergantung. Jadi materinya itu dari yang basic dulu. Greeting. And after that introduction, and after that maybe habis introduction itu ya sama kayak yang di modul-modul begini yang dijelaskan tadi itu adalah urutannya yang basic gitu. But if you want to apply the scholarship, for example LPDP, BIB, or maybe etc. IELTS segala macam, ada test writing kan. Nah, itu what to be done for you to learn about grammar. Okay, dari mana sir belajar grammar? Of course, about the start from the component of language. Component of language, komponen dari bahasa, alphabet, and then what's next? Word, and then phrase, and then sentence. Sentence will divide it into verbal sentence and normal nominal sentence. And after that, you will learn about the 12 or 16 tenses. Begitu. Jadi bertahap begitu. Jadi it depends on your needs. Tergantung kebutuhan kamu gimana. Mau apa nih? So, the first thing that you have to do is tentuin dulu tujuan kamu apa. Finish tak? Oh ya? Astagfirullah. Sorry. Nah, begitu ya. Jadi, tentukan dulu langkahnya apa. Niatnya apa? Mau apa nih? Mau fluent aja, langsung banyakin ngomong dengan air, dengan bak mandi, oke? Okay? It's okay. Asal nggak kelihatan sama orang lain. Tapi kalau mau grammar dari component language, part of speech, pronoun, verb, apa segala macam, nah seperti itu. Begitu. Nah,
Thank you, Mister.
okay. So because the time's up, by the way, guys. So I thank you so much for coming here, and I wanna say, welcome to the jungle. Damn, welcome to the jungle in my class, by the way. So I just wanna say sorry. I do apologize if I had mistake. Of course, I'm a human. Maafkan saya kalau ada kesalahan. Mohon maaf lahir dan batin ya guys ya. So let's close our class today by pray based on our personal belief. Pray begin. Ya. Okay, yo, what's up guys? Oh ya, ini bukan kelas offline-nya. Okay, so thank you so much for coming and see you. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Itu apa speaking?
Goodbye, Mister.
Yo.
Mister. Thank you,
Yo, bye.
Mister.
Thank you today.
Miss. Bye.
Thank you, Mister.
Sudah.
I have to collect my money, by the way.
Ya.
My salary.
You can't got money, bro.
Hah? I can't get money because I'm under contract. Ini masih direkam.
Aku itu punya aku.
Masih direkam. Sela, udah selesai.
Masuk lagi tadi dia.
Itu direkam nih.
Iya, dia nggak bakal masuknya di aku. Masuknya di aku.
Terus gimana nih? Gimana nih?
Gimana ya? Halimatus Saidah. Saidah.
Stop recording.
Bener udah tuh. Agak nggak masuk lagi. Oke.
The recording will be saved in meeting organizer Google Drive. Stop recording.
Oke, benar. Udah masuk Google Drive.